Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch alloy wheels, black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, blind spot assist. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats. Hopping in, we got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, satin brown poplar wood trim, navigation, rear view backup camera. This one does also come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 26,154 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.